Zvino hazvina kumira zvakanaka mhuri yeZimbabwe. Situation yatava nayo iko zvino munyika yopisa zvinhu zvave kuitika iko zvine zvazvichanzwisisike. Kwaswera kuchiitwa nyaya dzemademonstrations dzakanga dzichiitika kunyika yeZimbabwe, asi iko zvino vaBlessed Geza vanga vavimbisa kuti vari kuda kuuya kuti vataure nyaya yacho, vaexplain zvinhu zvakanga zviri kutora nzvimbo panguva yatiri iko zvino, asi pazosvika nyaya yacho nezvinhu zvese zvazoitika iko zvino zvave kuratidza pachena kuti vaBlessed Geza vatodzimirwa network iko zvino neZANU-PF haisi kubata network kuti vakwanise kunge vachibuditsa kuti vataure pastatement acho, kureva kuti vaGeza kwavari ikoko network yavharirwa panze. Ndicho chokwadi chizere chiri kuitika iko zvino. Location repavari ipapo ndo pangodzima network, so vabuda vari kukumbira kuti aiwa tiri kusangana nematambudziko enetwork, ndosaka maona vanhu vese vakangomirira vari kungotenderera kuda kuziva kuti chii chaitika kuna Comrade Bombshell. Inzwai kune mumwewo muteereri ane zvaari kutaura. Teererai munzwe zviri kutaurwa apa, hama dzadiwa, pakatooma mufunge.
Some other people, they are speaking the truth. It's a big people. They are speaking true, but problem is ZANU-PF yandakaona ma citizens. Vana veZimbabwe, we facing a serious problem with ZANU-PF. ZANU-PF, we don't want to take a blame to the wrongdoing. What are they do to the people? That is it's a serious problem. It's a really serious problem. Even now, if it was them was building for the office by the border, we can never done. If it was them was building an airport, the Zimbabwe construction never be done. If it was them was building a parliamentary house, they'll never be finished. That's the only thing you can show you the citizens of Zimbabwe. These people and this government people, this political party, he cannot done anything. Only what he can done something to building. It's a corruption. To building corruption, it's 100%. You don't take even 2 days to do that. You don't take even a year. You don't take even a week to steal. How can they can steal the minerals and the resources and everything for Zimbabweans? It's simple to done the corruption. But to do the proper job, the delivery service to the country, you need another 150 years. We need another 150 years for the delivery service to the citizens. Look, that fucking shit put roundabout. The construction was started building in South Africa, China, Zambia, Namibia, Botswana, America, already done. In South Africa, you have a construction roads each and fucking single day. Each and a fucking single road in South Africa, they have different construction. Not to say this is the fucking construction for Kudata Gure, this is fucking construction for friend of Kudata Gure. Construction, you cannot do that. Construction worker for the government to get a job to the government. He don't do that. You can find stop and go everywhere. They are fixing the road. Now Zimbabwean government, the Zimbabwean ZANU-PF government, you're waiting the road to be broken, to be finished. Then he started to realize the road, you have a lot of dams. It's not a pothole, you have a lot of dams. They are realized about the bridges. Some other people, if they are died, they are washed out with the buses, with the cars, with the school children. They are washed out with the water, then they are died. They are realized about the bridge is finished. We have to build a bridge. It's not impossible. The rain is raining, then you build the bridge, which means you show yourself you are not to organize it. Similar like a person, you take the medication to the person who died in the hospital. You want to deliver the medication to the person who died, or is died. Now you want to come with the drip and medication and the thermometer to take a temperature and what? What is fucking shit of these doctors and this fucking government? Same like a person you building a bridge in the cyclone. That is how the construction of Zimbabwe they do. They don't know what is the meaning of service delivered to the community, to the citizens, to the country. They don't know what is the meaning of construction. The construction is not supposed to be stand with the one person, because we are friendship for the criminality friendship. That is fucking bullshit. Hey, fucking construction fucking kudata gray, construction fucking push for fucking shit for friend of Kudata Gure. You want to tell me about only Kudata Gure? You know how to building the bridge and the road in Zimbabwe, to do the construction in Zimbabwe. Even some of the other women, they are very well educated, and some of the women, they are not criminality like the men. I can trust some of the women. They can do better than a man. That's why you see they don't want to see a young people. They are speaking too much in front of them. These old people, they have a guideline about this age. We don't like it because they can show us and they cannot respect us with this corruption. Doesn't mean about it. Hey, these people, if you are the youngsters, the youth, to be in the parliamentary, how they can handle the person? I can tell you this is corruption. Corruption is a corruption. Look at the service delivered. Security farm. Water treatment plant in Zimbabwe, nothing. The old water treatment plant for Ian Smith. For 45 years, never done even one plant. Never done even one security farm dams. Never repair even one pipe of the old pipe to put a new pipe of the water. No matter you can go the whole world, you never see a bore in the city. Which country can see the bore? You can play seesaw in town, at the middle of the town. That's fucking bullshit.